I'm Jackie, I'm the founder of Noir Beauty, and this is a quick half up down tutorial using afrokinkystraight. I'm sorry for the beginning of this video, I fell asleep in my headscarf, so we're going to have to start from here. This is how I section my hair. I do a ponytail at the back and then 2 plaits either side. For the purpose of the video, I'm going to be using this cap, but you would use a black one. Put your cap on, make sure that you pull the plaits forward so that they don't get stuck under the weft when you glue them. Funny that you have to open the bottle. Squirt a small area somewhere to make sure that you've got the right flow so it doesn't squirt all over your hair. And I'm going to add hair from the ear all the way back to the beginning of the neck. I hate hair in my mouth. First line you stick's really important. You must make sure you get it across your hairline and ear to ear, as this will secure your stocking cap. Go easy on the bonding solution and just keep adding the tracks one by one. Try to get it as close to those plaits, the ones that are hanging over my ears, as possible. Just in case you was wondering what I was saying, I said I'm going to put it in. I like to tie it down and wait 5 minutes, give it a quick blow dry. Make sure everything's nice and secure before you cut away that stocking cap. Go ahead and undo those plaits. That's me telling myself off for not closing the bonding solution. Right, this is where it can go wrong. Only glue what you can see. Looking good. It's nice, but let's add some decoration. It was at this point I realised I'd gone the wrong way. If you're using a hot comb like I am just to fry out my ends, just really be careful with your ears. What on earth was I thinking about? I'm really loving how this style turned out. The Afro Kinky is really soft and light. I love the plait in the front. It's awesome. Thanks so much for joining me on my channel. Take care.